How to export your Everspruce home inventory entries. Go ahead and log in, go to Settings, scroll down to Export, select CSV or PDF. If you choose CSV, you can save it to any folder. If you choose PDF, you are able to print out this document. Now, if you want to export a file from a box or an area, go ahead and go to Options, select Export Entries. In my example, I picked a box and I have selected PDF Export. There you have it, ready to print. That's simple. Everspruce Home Inventory app is available for download in the App Store. For more information, go to our blog at everspruceapp.com.